Welcome to Scriblar. To start a solo OSCE study, click Create, select I'm practicing on my own, choose a case either by creating one with AI or selecting from the Discover page, and then click Chat. Generate any case you need by entering the candidate role and specifying your practice objectives. We'll provide customized candidate and patient instructions along with a tailored mark scheme to support your study. Click Patient Instructions to view case details and Mark Scheme to review the evaluation criteria. You can edit the candidate or patient instructions by typing directly or by using AI. Adjust the timer to set your preferred duration for the station, then click Chat to begin interacting with the patient. Click the question mark icon that appears when you haven't entered any text to receive a suggested question to ask the patient. Click the phone icon next to the message box to start a voice call with the patient. Ensure the website has permission to access your microphone. You can switch back to typing at any time. Access the diagnosis or view patient instructions directly from the right side menu while interacting with the patient. When you've finished speaking with the patient, click End Consult. Review your performance by clicking the Feedback and Mark Scheme tabs. You can also ask questions to learn how to improve or to obtain more information. Use the search function to find a user or enter their name if they don't have an account. Then assign roles by selecting who will be the candidate and who will act as the patient. Choose a case from the Discover page, create your own by writing or copying and pasting, or generate one using the AI station. Click Start Listening to begin your session. Click Stop Listening when you're finished and we'll take care of the rest. Browse a wide variety of cases contributed by users on the Discover page or add your own by selecting Public when creating an AI station.